How to file single-member LLC taxes on my TurboTax Form 1040. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. As a single-member LLC, the IRS treats your business as a disregarded entity by default. This means you'll report business income and expenses on Schedule C of your Form 1040, just like a sole proprietor. The first thing you want to do is log into TurboTax and start a new return. Now click Federal Taxes, then select Self-Employment. Click Start under Business Income and Expenses. Now select I have a business and enter your LLC details such as business name, employer ID, and type of business. Now report LLC business income by entering your 1099 NEC or 1099K if you receive them. Add other business income. Then you want to enter your business deductions. To maximize deductions, enter your business expenses. As a single member LLC, you must pay self-employment taxes. TurboTax automatically calculates this based on your net business income. Now, review all the details you've entered. You can then e-file directly through TurboTax for faster processing. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.